Hey guys, I'm Sam from Just Fencing, and this is how to do a Tex Brown knot. So to start with, I want about 300mm on each end. Any more and it's just a pain in the ass, pain in the butt. So on my chain end, I'm a right-handed person. I don't know, this might be awkward for some people, but I'm going to go about to there, to that joint there, and I'm going to come back around and over, so I get left with something like that. Then I'm going to put that wire up through the loop there, so it should be like that. I'm just trying to find a soft spot. I'm going to take it about half a link, push that down as far as I can and bend that up and then right around. So if you can see that, I've just come that. So this is our original wire, this wire's coming around and then straight out this way. This one here is coming straight up, and then I'm going to go down and under that line wire there, and I'm going to give it a nice hard pull up like that, and then you should end up with that. And then this wire that this just came around under is now going to go up, and then with our first wire it's going to come around. Now that will hold, that won't bend, that won't let go. I can let that strainer go. Just like that. That's your Tex Brown. Now you just got to wrap it off. So with this one here, your wire that's poking straight up, we're going to come, I just put my hand under and just go straight under like this. Now these they wrap off against each other, so you don't need any pliers or anything to hold it. And I'm going to go, I'm just holding the tension with this one, and that allows me to wrap that. So 2.5, and I won't break that yet. Now I just take the tension with this one and I can tie that one, tie the other one. 2.5 wraps, break, too easy.